Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's topic is chapter number 5, exercise 5.5, factorization of type number 6, that is the sum and the difference of the cubes. The two special factoring formulas you will need to memorize are very similar to one another. They are the formulas for factoring the sums and the differences of cubes. Here are the two formulas: a cube plus b cube, which is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. And the other one is, that is factoring a difference of cubes, a cube minus b cube, which is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. You have to memorize these two formulas so that you can easily apply them in your exercise 5.5. Let's apply the formulas. I have taken question number 3 of your exercise. The question given is 24x cube plus 3. Now your first step will be to look for the common factor. See what is common in these two terms. We can take 3 as a common factor. We'll be taking 3 out. We'll be taking 3 as a common factor. So 3 can be taken out because 3 8 is 24 and 3 1 is 3. So what will be your first step? Your first step will be to take the common factor out, then look for the remaining terms. The two terms are left as 8x cube plus 1. The first term contains, now we'll be factorizing these two terms. This first term contains the cube of 3 and x. But what about the second term? So before panicking about the lack of an apparent cube, I remember that 1 can be regarded as having been raised to any power I like, since 1 to any power is still just 1. So in this case, the power I would like is 3. Since this will give me a sum of the cubes, this means that the expression they have given me can be expressed as 2x cube plus 1 cube. So to factor, I'll be plugging 2x and 1 into the sum of the cubes formula. This is the formula. I'm going to apply it. This is my a term, this is my b term. I'll be plugging in 3x and 1 into the sum of the cubes formula. See, instead of a, I have written 2x, instead of b, I have written 1. Then a square, a is 2x in this case, 2x square, minus a into b, a is 2x, b is 1, plus b square, b is 1 in this case. So here we have factorized this expression. It is very easy. Let's solve another question. This is our required answer. Let's solve question number 8. Factorize expression x to the power 9 plus 1. Now see, we can write it in terms of cube. 9 can be written as x cube whole cube plus 1 can be written as 1 cube. So we know the formula a cube plus b cube. We'll be applying this formula. We'll be writing this in term of this formula because a is x cube and b is 1. See, a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. In this case, our a was x cube and b was 1. So this is a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. In the next step, This will be written as it is. You can multiply 3 into 2, 6 minus x cube plus 1 square is 1. Now in the next step, you can further factorize it because again it is in the form of sum of the cubes. Again we'll be using the formula sum of the cubes. You can write now this is your a term, this is your b term. I have written it as a plus b, a square minus a into b plus b square. This is our required answer. So we have factorized it. In this question number 8, we have used this cube formula 2 times. We have used this formula 2 times. This is our required answer. Let's solve another question. A cube minus c plus d whole cube. Now see, this is your first term and this complete is your second term. So you don't need to get confused because this you don't take it as 2 terms. It is just 1 term. Fine. This is your first term and this is your second term. Again, the question is given in the form of difference of the cubes. So let's solve it. Apply the formula. This is the formula. A cube minus b cube, which is equivalent to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Let's apply it. Instead of a, I'll be writing a, and instead of b, I'll be writing c plus d. See, a plus c plus d. Then a square minus a into this complete is your b term. C plus d is taken as your b term. Plus b square. Now see, our b was c plus d whole square. In the next step, I'll just be simplifying them but while multiplying this a with c and a with d and apply the squares. Open up the brackets. I just have simplified it using the algebraic rules. In the next step, you can expand it while using the identity a plus b whole square. This is your a, this is your b term, a plus b whole square. You can open it up, you can expand it using this formula. So after expansion, this will be your required answer. And then rearrange it. Rearrange it, add, subtract the like terms if they are. If they does not exist, this is your required answer. You can solve question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 using the same rules. I have solved few complicated questions for you so that you can solve the remaining parts by your own. Thank you.